Diligent, Boy Scout of the Year, and with honors. Bofiel Rafi Lorraine C. Most active, a recipient of the Loyalty Award, with high honors, and a recipient of Academic Excellence Award. Rivera Alexis Riel S. Most participative, best research presenter, and Girl Scout of the Year. And with
let us hear the recital of the school mission and vision statement from Junapi Lopez, a grade 6 student.
Vision statement. Mission statement, providing students with greater access to quality education that instills Christian values, ideals, and competencies essential to successfully meet the demands and challenges of the 21st century. Vision statement, a school system that upholds Christian tradition of excellence in service to God and humanity through liberating education towards a God-fearing society.
A blessed afternoon to our Dapat Supervisor, Ma'am Marina Espino, our school administrator, Pastor Mel Bigalban, our spiritual director, Presbyter Jim Bigalban, MCA faculty, parents, dear completers, and graduates. Welcome to our 7th commencement exercises and moving up ceremony 2025. I am very pleased to welcome you all in today's program as we gather here to celebrate and acknowledge the accomplishments of our dear pupils. To our dear parents, today is a testament to your hard work, determination, and dreams. You have crossed an important milestone, and we are incredibly proud of each one of you. Thank you for your unwavering support and encouragement that helped our graduates reach this day. And to our dedicated teachers, mentors, and staff, your passion and guidance have shaped the minds and hearts of these remarkable individuals. As we begin today's program, let us reflect on the memories, challenges, and triumphs that have brought us here. May this celebration be a reminder that with courage, perseverance, and hope, there are no limits to what we can achieve. Once again, welcome, and let's make this day a day to remember.
Thank you, Ms. Abby, for the warm welcome. And now, let us witness the different presentations coming from the selected students of the grade school and junior high school department.
And supervisor, I have the honor to present to you the kindergarten candidates for completion, 29 of whom are boys and 15 are girls, with total number of 44 kindergarten completers. I also have the honor to present to you 16 candidates for graduation, 5 of whom are boys and 11 are girls. I also have the honor to present to you the junior high school candidates for completion, 4 of whom are boys and 2 of whom are girls, with a total of 6 junior high school completers of Maranatha Christian Academy, Malate Chapter, for the school year 2024-2025. They have satisfactorily completed all the requirements prescribed by Department of Education. May I request Espino to certify their eligibility for completion.
By the authority vested on me by the Department of Education, after having successfully completed the requirements for the completers in the kindergarten and the graduation in the elementary and completion for the secondary, I confirm you completers and graduates.
Noren Dumelde Chief. Lopez Chanabi Jr. S. Monsanto Nathaniel F. Suri Charles IV S. Bothil Rafi Lorraine C. Jurado Yuna R. Lorelia Caitlin Allison P. Pancho Francesca Luis Audrey M. Prinyal Anika Aisel B. Carabines Chantal A. Rivera Lexis Brielle S. Sardoma Christian May D. And Valiesti Generate T. Let us now move on with the grade 10 completers.
remember the principles of good citizenship and brotherhood that our teachers love inhibited us. We will try to remain loyal to our country and thereby be an asset to the community. Let this verse be our guiding light as we depart from this school. But as for you, continue in what you have become convinced of, because you know those from whom you learned it. 2 Timothy chapter 3, verse 14.
To our beloved school administrator, Pastor Mel Bigalban, to our spiritual director, Presbyter Jim Bigalban, to our special guest, the DepEd Supervisor, Ma'am Marina Espino, to our dearest class advisor, Miss Abigail Joey Kabamba, teachers, faculty members, and MCA staff who had taught us, supported us, and took care of us during our school days. And especially to our parents, guardians, friends, and to you, my fellow graduates, a pleasant afternoon. On behalf of the grade 6 students, I am Rafi Lorraine C. Boville, standing before you today, blessed and meek. I would like to extend my deepest gratitude, especially to our God, the Almighty Father, for all of His blessings and guidance. To my loving and supportive parents, to my mom, dad, and beloved grandparents, and to my aunts and uncles who are always there for me, I appreciate your love and care. To our kind teachers and MCA staff, thank you so much for teaching us, not only academically, but also spiritually. Thank you for guiding us throughout our elementary journey. You molded us to be independent, strong, and brave students, ready to face future challenges. And lastly, to my fellow graduates, classmates, and friends, thank you so much for all the laughter, the radiant moments I will surely treasure forever, and the support you gave me, especially during hardships. To my dear MCA, thank you for the fruitful 6 years we shared. I remember when I was in grade 1, I was a transferee to this wonderful school. I was very shy and I didn't know anyone. But now, I've known many awesome people who inspired me to do my best. It was unpredictable that I would become so close to everyone I met. I never expected to make such good friends. Amidst all the challenges our batch has faced, we still have successfully overcame them. I'll never forget those who marked my correction tape without asking. During those times that we practiced together, played and laughed with each other, it was always so fun spending time with you guys. Sorry if I yelled at you sometimes, because you guys were so noisy. Sometimes I was too. Anyways, I'm very proud of you all. Grade 6! This is it! This is not the end, but the beginning of our new journey. Go forth! I'm counting on you. Congratulations, Maranatha Christian Academy, Batch 2024 to 2025. Thank you and God bless to us all.
so much, dear parents and teachers.
Jenna.